Hi everyone, we are here at the AF4 conference and I have here with me Tim, who's the CTO at Hyland. Tim, welcome to the Ravit Show. Such a pleasure to chat with you today. And it's your debut, so I'm excited.
I'm excited to be here, and this is my first formal interview in my new capacity as Hyland CTO.
Fantastic. I'm lucky to have you on the show then for sure. Tim, just for our audience, would you like to quickly introduce yourself, tell us more about what you do at Hyland, and we'll take it from there?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me. It's really fun to be at the AI4 conference. So I'm Hyland's CTO. I've spent my entire career in the enterprise data space,
Right.
Mostly in the structured data side and in high-performance computing at scale.
Right.
Way back when I was involved in leveraging neural networks at Scripps Oceanography to do satellite image processing. So now bringing all of that experience to Hyland, where we're managing unstructured data and finding so many cool applications for AI for Hyland's customers in the enterprise content management space has been super, super fun.
That's fantastic. And since we are here also at the AI conference, AI is like the talk of the town. And I have a question for you because you talk to a lot of customers, a lot of enterprise leaders in general as well. What are the biggest challenges enterprises face when it comes to scaling AI agents?
So first, scaling AI agents requires great management and governance of enterprise data at scale.
Right.
And again, that's where I spent my whole career, and where Hyland has spent 30 years managing enterprise content management at scale.
Right.
So bringing all of the same lessons learned around governance, security, control, price performance at scale. When you think about bringing agents to an enterprise at scale, that data control problem is incredibly important, and
So
Hyland
true.
brings so much experience there.
Yeah, okay, that's fantastic. You mentioned about data control. That's one of the very important pieces when it comes to agents, so for sure. Those are fantastic insights. And how is the Hyland, helping customers build that foundation? Is there like a ground rule that you all set for the customers out there, or how does it work?
Yeah, well, we're meeting customers where they are. you know,
Right?
Hyland's a collection of 4 enterprise content management platforms.
Okay.
We have OnBase, Perceptive, Alfresco, Nuxio, and now we're building all these great solutions around AI in our Content Innovation Cloud. Our strategy is to meet customers where their data is. So
Nice.
rather than having a data migration either from a Hyland platform into Content Innovation Cloud,
Yep.
or even from third-party repositories, it's really important customers don't have to go through a massive data management problem before they get started with AI.
Right. This is actually really good. And one more question, I'll just step back a little bit and go back to agents.
Yeah.
When, first of all, what is like the key to ensuring that AI agents are with people and not against them? Do you have any thoughts around that?
Yeah, well, the other huge part of the Hyland business is process automation. We've been automating human-in-the-loop workflows
Right.
for years, for decades. And when we add agents to a workflow, humans continue to be an incredibly important part of
Yep.
both training, selection, validation. I mean, it's just like using AI in coding agents, where you
Sure.
hear people becoming a 10x engineer or a 50x architect.
Yeah.
Well, people in business process automation tasks and workflows, there will still be human in the loop, but they'll have partners as agents to give them better data, to allow
Exactly.
them to work faster, to allow them to process more. So that human in the loop element, we don't see that going away anytime soon. But
Yeah.
having an agent to help you do your job better, more effectively, at scale, can be a superpower.
It definitely can be a superpower because, and I can say that from experience because for us as a media company as well, we use AI agents
Yeah.
in various ways,
Yeah.
and it just kind of boosts our productivity.
Yeah.
Where people kind of, obviously have that question where, oh, will AI agents take our jobs? Not really. Maybe it will make you faster, it will help you scale faster, and you can just go out there and do so many different things, right?
Totally.
but-
Cooler cuts, cooler music. You can add special effects behind us during the
Exactly,
interview.
exactly, right?
Yeah.
I can transcribe everything while the interview is just getting recorded.
That's a great example.
Right?
That's a great example.
If you
yeah.
kind of want to spread it across the social media as well, it's just connecting the dots with the social media, and here's, boom, once the interview is done, here it's on the social media as well, that, oh, we just did an interview with Tim, this is what he's kind of spoken about. So that sort of context is amazing when it comes to AI agents too. But thinking a little bit about the future, how do you kind of see the AI agents doing in the next 1 to 2 years? I can't imagine because just at the start of the year itself, in 2025, everyone, did say that, okay, 2025 year will be the year of agents. And it does prove that, yes, it is the year of agents, but it is evolving very quickly. So how do you see it in the next 1 to 2 years?
It's happening fast. In the next 1 to 2 years, we'll see a lot of task-based agents before we
Right.
start moving to orchestrators and operators. But we're seeing enterprises adopt agents today. I mean, they start out as advisors in a workflow or automating a simple task that used to be maybe a traditional machine learning algorithm or an expert system replaced by an agent that's more dynamic and can be
Right.
updated with new context and new data that's brought into your enterprise. But it's happening fast and it's going to grow fast.
Fantastic. One last question for our audience, Tim. If folks want to reach out to you, if they want to learn more about what's happening at Hyland in the AI agent space, where can they do that?
LinkedIn's probably the best place.
Fantastic.
But yeah, I'm easy to find and love to chat with folks.
Amazing. And I'm pretty sure they can go to the website and learn more about the different resources that you'll have.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. This is great, Tim. Thanks for sharing all the details and thanks for giving us a deeper insight into how AI agents are kind of playing an important role in Hyland and for the customers that you'll have.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ravit.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today.